Hey, so here are some tips to finally get rid of some big things. I'm gonna give you 5 top things to actually just focus on and just get over the fear of doing it, because it takes work to get to the next place in life, and I'm actually excited to give you these 5 free tips. Tip number 1, when it comes to connecting with people on the digital realm, don't be scared to actually do a video. That is the number 1 secret sauce that we have used since the beginning of our business, when we realized that just by doing a little text here and there, by just saying, hi, how are you? That is not gonna cut it. At the end of the day, people want to get to know you, they wanna see you, they wanna hear you, they want to get to know you and see if you're even awesome, for their time, right? Just like you would feel if someone wanted to ask you some questions, get to know you better. Think about it that way. Next time someone wants to get to know you, ask them for a video and see what happens. So tip number 2, just like I'm sitting on this incredible, comfy, incredibly awesome couch, I can sit here all day because my body needs it. But what happens if I just stay here? I'm not gonna be able to move. I'm not gonna be able to grow. I'm not gonna be able to see what's out there. So in order for you actually to get comfortable, you have to first get uncomfortable. So here I am, standing up, because at the end of the day, I'm excited to actually go out there, get uncomfortable, connect with more people, and not only that, let them know exactly what we can do for them, because I'm excited and I believe that when we have something so incredible, we genuinely have to connect with more people and let them know how incredible it is.
Tip number 3, don't be afraid to talk to people. The more you talk to people, the more comfortable you get, like Isabel was saying. So practice talking to so many people that you just like, you know what, I don't care what they say. I just go up to them like, hey, hi, hello. Go to a large crowd, do whatever you want to. Just go to a big crowd and start saying hey to everyone in the crowd. Go to a concert, go to a bar, go to a coffee shop, say, hey, I'm Dave, and hi, I'm Dave. And they might be like, you're weird. And that's okay, because you know why? You practicing for your own personality, not no one else in the world. So that's tip number 3. And tip 4.
Tip number 4, this is for you. Think about all the goals, or think about some of the goals that you have right now, right? Are they gonna require people to actually make it happen? Probably you're answering yes, right? The majority of our goals require us connecting with people, networking with people, getting over there. I used to be scared to go ahead and meet new people, new strangers, and talk to them, or get rejected, or all those different things that you may be feeling, or maybe you've overcome, or maybe you're going through right now, right? But your goals are going to require you to get not only uncomfortable, not only going to go ahead and practice, but you're going to have to get rejected, right? Rejection is just part of the game, right? Don't take it personally, right? So tip number 4 is not to take any of the rejection personally. Because if you're going to take it personally, then I'm going to get scared of what that person might say. But if I'm not taking it personally, I made the decision, look, that has nothing to do with me, but it has everything to do with that other person, right? Then I'm free to go ahead and meet new people. I'm free to go ahead and message as many people, because I don't care what they say. They can say no, they can say yes. I believe it. That's what matters. I feel great about it. I'm making the effort. I'm being selfless, and I'm committed to that. So therefore, I'm free. I'm actually going to go ahead and go talk to people, meet people, and I'm going to still feel fear anyway. I might still feel nervous. I might still feel scared, but it's going past that feeling and say, I'm motivated by what makes me uncomfortable. I'm motivated by the fear that I feel. And in order for me to overcome through it, I have to take action. I have to do it. I have to get rejected. I have to get punched in the face, right? And then eventually, after it happens over and over and over and over again, you're kind of like, you just laugh at it. Tip number 5, right? So if you're looking to speak in front of, let's say, crowds or whatever it may be as part of your business, this is a tip for you to, as long as you are putting your passion into it, right? That it's not going to be a script. You're literally just going to go out and give everything you've got. people are gonna feel your energy. It's not necessarily what you're saying at the end of the day, but they're gonna feel your passion, they're gonna feel your energy, they're gonna feel your belief, they're gonna feel your personality, what you're embodying, and that's the most important thing. People will feel when you're nervous. So get pumped up before. If you're nervous to do something, whether you're going on stage, or you're doing a video, right, for the first time or second time or 10th time, and you're still nervous, which it still happens, right, pump yourself up. Move your body, put some music on, just get in the flow and picture yourself already having successes. Picture yourself and the audience literally just so focused on you, applauding you, congratulating you, thanking you for all that you brought, all the value you brought in changing their life, right? So do that own routine prior to doing it. Pump yourself up. Do whatever you got to do. Tony Robbins does it every single time he goes on stage. He pumps himself up. He creates a habit, and you just imagine the successes you're having over and over and over and over and over again. And then you'll go out there like you're natural, you're a pro, and people are going to feel it. And it's just going to be awesome. So excited for you guys. Go out, let's meet some people. Again, remember, post in the comments which one of these tips did you like. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5. Put it below. Drop it in the comments. Subscribe. You can do it. We're going to be putting out a lot of content for you, for your business, for your life. We're going to be traveling. We're going to show you inside scoop. See ya.